Hello dear solution partners, I'm Daria and welcome to Mars Talks. Today we're together here with Mr. Hakan Bucak, who is the CEO and founder of Mars Investment. So now, our audience are our solution partners, global agencies, and they're working in a big trust with us. What is the reason of this trust?
Yeah, Daria, thank you for having me. So, we have established our system in 2018. From that time to till now, we had a really great work with our solution partners, especially in 8 different projects. We had a great record together. So let's make an empathy and let's put ourselves in international real estate agencies, which located in Turkey and outside. So if I were an international real estate agency, I would work with trusted developers first, because choosing the right developer is one of the most important criteria for their investors. So as Mars, we are working with the most trusted developers in the Turkish real estate market. So that's number one for me. So number two, I always mention that the bad project in good location is better than good project in bad location.
Okay.
So in real estate world, we always talk about the location, location, location. So for international real estate agencies, the location-wise, the project that they are serving is very, very important. So when they pick up their client or investor from the airport, once they start for a project tour and once they start for an Istanbul tour or wherever they are, the important thing for them is to show the prime locations, prime and fastest developing locations for investment wise, for living wise, for citizenship wise. So what we provide for our partners is we provide a wide portfolio from Avcılar district to Maltepe district. So because of that, and international real estate agencies can see us as a portfolio provider also, because when we select our portfolio, when we select our project to manage, we know our responsibility. We know that we have to convince our international real estate agencies by not showing only the location of the project, also to explain and present the investment value and the location analysis of this project. So they need to be convinced on that. So this is the second thing, the wide portfolio. The third thing is, if I were a real estate agency, okay, I know that all real estate agency is spending amazing effort while they are bringing their investor to Istanbul or another cities, it doesn't matter. So when they pick up their investor, they have to be sure that whichever project they're bringing their customers, their investors inside, they have to feel the confidence, that in that sales office, investment consultant will present my customer, my investor, in a best way of investment value, location value, developer background, the exit strategy scenarios, the typology selection, etc. So if they feel this confident in themselves, they truly can work with Mars Investment, because Mars investment consultants are seriously, we are giving our team and really investment, taxation, the behavior and attitude, database management, project and market knowledge, educations, training systems.
That's why we don't name our sales agents as sales agents.
Yeah.
We name them as investment consultants, because they have the know-how from A to Z about everything in investment. Like you said, they get taught, they have courses, workshops from different professionals in the industry. And you just mentioned data. So we always shout out that we as Mars use data and analysis. What's important here?
Okay.
And how is the agent going to use these numbers?
Okay. So first I talk about the trusted developers. I said the location of the project is very important. The third thing is the the investment team of that project has to be very well trained and educated, because investor will take these presentations. So the fourth thing you mentioned is the data management. So what we do is, with our CRM system, which we use a really significant artificial intelligence inside of it, we are specially analyzing the movements of real estate agencies. So what we give to real estate agencies when they reach one of our loyalty stage, we give a service of insight report monthly. So what does it mean? According to our data, in 8 projects, we give a general data of which nationalities are interested in our projects, where they are residing, what kind of unit type they are mostly interested, what is their average budget spending, what is their gender, what is their education background, etc. So when they take it, if they want to sell our projects, they can directly put on the system as a fill in the blanks, write blanks, fill, and then they can segment, they can target the right customer to right project. So this is the importance of data on our side. So we give a database service for real estate agencies to provide them to find a right investor to right project.
So most of the global agency representatives are also foreigners in this country, and they need to follow up a whole process of citizenship and about the sales process. What service do we offer them in this case?
The services we are giving to our partners is several, and it starts with when we touch them, it starts. So it reached to end-to-end system, which we create a Mars ecosystem for partners. So before they bring their investors, when we first touch them, we serve them our marketing materials of each project with logo and without logo. So we have a Mars communication system, which we give them also a communication strategy, marketing strategy, and sales strategy of our projects. Okay. So secondly, once they bring their investor, we serve them and quality, well-trained and very good educated sales representatives, which we call it investment consultants. So we serve their customer according to nationality they bring, according to age, according to every kind of criteria they bring. So our investment consultants are like their brain is working like a machine. When they see any customer type, they are capable to how to serve, how to present, how to explain investment value, location value, this, everything inside. So this is another service. Let's say investment consultant convince the agency's investor and we had done the sale. So for us, this sale has been closed as 5%. We have 95% journey.
Now it starts, yes.
Journey till title deed, after that citizenship, etc. So what we do, we have a after sale department who is interested in, who is serving for real estate agencies. Once they deposit the sale, after that official procedures between developer and government, like we take exemption with government or citizenship approvals with government, and the official procedure with developer, like title deed transaction, notary contract transaction, etc. So we give this service to our partners. So secondly, if they want, we give them a law advisory, because we experience a lot in our project, the procedures, like for example, in Cordon, Istanbul, we experienced more than 216 citizenship applications. So we know what is the procedure is, so we give this service.
Now, with the globalization and becoming more digital, how do we use PropTech?